Now this illustration deals with the same size conductors in accordance with NEC 14.16B1 through B5 as in boy. And we're using table 314.16A based upon the number of conductors. Now, looking at step 1, it's based upon the question that's in the problem. What size device box is required for two number 12 AWG hots, two number 12 neutrals, a receptacle, one bonding jumper, and one pigtail? Now, we actually have two pigtails that is in the count. So when we go to step 1, we're counting in accordance with 314.16B1 through B5. And we have two number 12 hots or ungrounded conductors, which would be 2. We have a device which is based on the largest conductor, and the device would count 2. We have two number 12 neutrals, counts 2. We have two number 12 pigtails. We have one number 12 bonding jumper. So since there's the EMT is being used as the equipment grounding means, we do not have any equipment grounds present, so the count would be 6. So we have 6 number 12 conductors, which would require, from our table 314.16a, a 3-inch by 2-inch by 2 3/4 inch device box. And that's exactly what the solution answer is. A 3-inch by 2-inch by 2 3/4 inch device box is required to enclose the 6 conductors.